Hey everyone, it's Miss Marshall. I wanted to provide you with some instructions for your online learning the week of April 26th through May 2nd. You're going to see two videos posted. This video is going to be the instructions for both assignments that you'll have for that week, and you're also going to see another video posted, which is a lesson on text structure. So for the week of April 26th through May 2nd, if you go into Google Classroom, you're going to see that there are several assignments that your teachers posted. One of those is going to be on the teen brain, and you are going to be reading through the article. You are going to be answering questions on the side, and if you look at the instructions in the red, it'll tell you what you need to do. So you're going to read the article, you're going to think about text structure, and you're going to answer the questions in the right-hand column. When you're finished, you're going to choose one paragraph and identify which text structure the author used to write it. And once you've identified it, you're going to use a comment on the side of the paragraph so that you can label it. So if you just click in the middle of the paragraph and then you click the comment box and you click comment, it'll allow you to put a comment next to it, and from there you can identify the text structure. Don't forget, at the very end there's a graphic organizer that you're going to fill in, and with this one you're going to remember that the main idea and supporting idea or details are often not just a single sentence of the text. Rather, they may involve multiple sentences, so you're going to fill this information in after you've read the article. You are then going to go to a Nearpod activity, which is going to be the $5 billion race to map your brain. And from there, finally, you're going to be filling in a Google form, and it's going to assess what you've learned on the teen brain. And we would like to encourage everybody at this point to not only watch the videos. If you are able to make it to our online Google Meet session, we're doing a lot of fun extension activities, plus you'll get to see your friends and talk to your teachers. So if it's at all possible that you're able to make those, please try to come to the Google Meet sessions. So for 7th grade, on Mondays and Wednesdays, you will be going to your 1st and your 4th period classes. Tuesdays and Thursdays, you will be going to your 5th and 6th period classes. And then your electives are going to be after the core classes on Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, you'll go to your first elective, and Thursday, you're going to go to your second elective. So we look forward to working with you all and learning more about the teen brain, and we hope that we are able to see everybody online. Have a great week.